Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And been practicing out in sort of thickets here today. And so I brought the camera over to something that I thought thicket-wise would be more apparent on camera. But this is a stand of bamboo on the farm, and it's rather impenetrable. But what do we mean by impenetrable? What I mean is, because I'm a human speaking to other humans, I mean a human body will find that fairly impenetrable. And that might even kind of mean the human eyes can't really see through it. But of course, that's not even actually true. If I am a little bit patient and attentive, I will see that I can actually see right through it. I may not see what I want. I may not see as fully and clearly and widely as I might like. But indeed, I can see, for example, the lawn on the other side, and a goose on the lawn on the other side, and a bird, and the tractor, and so forth. So it isn't, in fact, impenetrable. And the reason that this comes to mind is that there are constantly birds in this thicket. And birds, of course, are generally quite broad laterally, even though obviously they can bring their wings in. And I regularly see birds fly into this, seemingly at full speed, and I don't hear them crash. So they find the relative penetrableness of what appears to be impenetrable. And so that's a nice reminder to me that what seems solid may not be solid. What seems impenetrable may not be impenetrable. What seems thick may, in fact, allow for circulation. So anyway, taking that idea in my Tai Chi practice, my bones, my muscles, my thick head, right? Things can pass through these things. Things can circulate, signals, fluids, perhaps chi, what have you. So I'd invite you to consider in your practice today that which you believe to be impenetrable in the body or relatively impenetrable and thick, and see if you can imagine that things in fact pass through it or feel what does pass through. Maybe you feel a little bit less dense, as it were. So thank you for that, and let's circulate the word about this art. Okay? Do your part. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.